Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Woman Hall. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video stylish and latest collection of leather skirt for girls and women. Many much more latest ideas of skirt you see in this video. So beautiful stitching ideas, some ideas front zip, some collection back zip, very attractive ideas of side zip, and so beautiful button designs on skirt. Designs on skirt. And stitching designing, beautiful stitching designing with the duffel designs, simple players, box players, high yellow designs, and very beautiful top with skirt. Designer top. And t-shirts, dress shirts. Very beautiful ideas of sweaters, zipper sweaters, high neck sweaters, and many much more beautiful colors of top with stylish and designer leather skirt for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.